Welcome to Archiesense. In Hyogo Prefecture, Japan, the city of Itami lies between the Ina and Muko Rivers and has a long history with ancient stone tools and pottery. Traditional Japanese homes from the 19th to early 20th centuries feature an entrance hall, or doma, that serves as a central gathering place for the family and connects the home to its surroundings. In planning the renovation of a house in the Itami residential area, the vision was to create a connection between the rooms and the outside. A spacious entrance hall with high ceilings was the main feature. The renovation began by gutting the interior, reinforcing the structure with plywood on the perimeter walls and sealing for earthquake resistance, which also serves as a finished surface. As you enter the new, high entrance hall, you'll see a gray tiled wall that acts as a backdrop to the stairs, creating a flow up to the second floor. The upper floor houses bedrooms and a living room, with the bedroom using charcoal-impregnated Tosa washi paper to absorb moisture. The living room features shoji windows and shina plywood, with a slatted corridor that creates a floating feel as you walk between spaces. Natural light pours in through existing arched windows, plus a large window with the seating area. Details such as mosaic tiles at the entrance and 4 sliding partitions create an open floor plan on the main floor. These features allow the modern entrance foyer to function as a space that enhances the occupant's lifestyle, similar to the function of a doma in traditional Japanese homes. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video gives you some new inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any updates from us. See you in the next video.